Hello friends, today is day 1 of our drawing challenge. So today I'm gonna draw an emotion of my own choice in my own style.
Biryani is an emotion.
Maintaining the same emotion, I started to draw and enjoying my favorite drink. So let's just trust the process and see how it turns out. This is how the outline of my drawing looks right now. So I'll be back after coloring. And in the meantime, biryani lovers, fill in the comment box with lots of biryani. So yeah, this is how the process is going on. Okay, so finally my drawing is ready and I'm happy with the output I got.